All right, so I've taken the assembly that I've had for the hot water heater exhaust, the B vent, and I've actually put that into place, but I need one more part. I need a 4-inch to 3-inch reducer to actually connect it from the top of the water heater to the actual B vent itself. Wanted to give you a look, show you my progress. All right, so I just put this here temporarily just to hold everything up, but you can see this B vent goes up. Whoop, across and back. So right now there's one screw that I put in place that holds that B vent up, but everything is essentially twist and lock as far as getting that in place. So now I'm ready for that trip to Home Depot to pick up my thermocouple as well as that 4-inch to 3-inch reducer. Should be able to get the venting in place first using single screws because everything was a twist lock. Make sure everything is solid there. I need an inch clearance all around the B vent there. And then it's time to work on a thermocouple. Fire this water heater up and see if all of my work has gone to a good use for today. So stay tuned. More in store.